All right, let's see if we can find a vector perpendicular to 7, negative 12 pi. Okay. How would you do this?
And multiply a vector u1, u2, u3 by
Okay.
that and set it equal to 0.
So take your 7, negative 12 pi, right? Dot product with, where'd you get
U1,
U1, U2,
a
U3?
vector with components u.
Yep. Pull a vector out of somewhere, right? Dot product and what?
Set it equal to 0
Why?
because it's perpendicular to the other vector.
Okay, because we want it to be perpendicular. So then I'm going to get what? 7u1 plus
Negative 12 u2.
plus pi u3 equals
0.
0. Okay. This is what? How many equations?
1.
Let's try one. It's one equation in how many variables?
3.
3. So this system is, you guys know these words, underdetermined and overdetermined?
I'll briefly cover.
Okay, how about this? How many solutions are there going to be to this?
Infinite.
Lots, right? Because I have one equation for 3 variables, right? That really means that there's going to be 2 variables that are independent and one that depends upon the other 2, right? You guys see that? So what do you do to get a vector that's perpendicular?
Yeah.
Yeah, pick something. You get to pick 2 things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 0, 0, 0. Can I pick that point?
Ah, that's totally cheating.
Is it? I think it's just like,
Isn't that
You guys
always
see that?
true that the 0 vector will be perpendicular?
Yeah, that was an easy answer to this question, right? You guys see that? Good. What if I modified the question to read, find a non-zero?
Or through a specific point.
Now it's an A level.
Now it's an A level.
before it was a D level question.
Now,
It just shot up
okay,
to grade level.
pick 1, 1, 1. I mean,
So does 1, 1, 1 work?
No.
no. But
No,
pick
but
2, then
1,
solve.
1, u3.
1, 1, U3
Zero.
does, right?
Yeah.
So I'll get 7 minus 12 plus pi U3 is
Yeah.
0. So then what do you do?
So for u3.
Solve for U3, right?
it'd be
Okay,
5
so I
over-
got negative 5 plus pi U3 is 0.
5 over pi.
Okay. So the vector 1, 1, oops, not pi, but 5 over pi seems to work. Cool. Neat. There's one. Did we, of course, find others?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Cool. Questions, things?
Now, what about the plane perpendicular to the vector?
Ah, okay. So if I wanted a plane perpendicular to this vector, there's lots of choices, right? You guys see that? Really, that's because this thing, right, is some vector pointing out from 0. That thing's perpendicular to lots of planes. So I'm going to have to pick a point for it to go through, right? Pick one. Maybe the easiest one is 0, right? The origin. So I'd say, all right, 7x minus 12y plus pi z equals 0. Bam, there's a plane perpendicular to that stuff. Notice, right, that's exactly the set of points that we were looking for and fiddling around with over here, right? You guys
Because
see
that
that?
equation is a plane.
Yeah. So here, when I was trying to find a vector, right, I was really just pulling out of thin air one of the vectors that sits in that plane. That should tell you, right, that there's not just infinitely many in one direction, but kind of infinitely many by infinitely many vectors that you could have picked. Cool?